I run a forged wheel factory in China, and one of the most common questions I get is whether it's safe to buy wheels on Alibaba. So let me answer it from the supplier side of the table. The short version, the platform isn't your real risk. The supplier behind the listing is. And there are a handful of things you can check before you ever send a deposit that tell you almost everything you need to know. First, understand what the platform actually does and doesn't do for you. Tools like trade assurance are built to hold your payment. It gives you a dispute channel if the order doesn't match what was agreed. That's real protection and you should use it. But a verified supplier or gold supplier badge is a membership and a basic check. It's not a full quality audit. A badge tells you a company exists and paid for standing. It doesn't tell you their wheels are forged correctly. So treat the platform as a safer place to transact, not as a guarantee of the product itself. Second, confirm you're talking to an actual manufacturer, not a trading company reselling someone else's wheels. Ask for a live video call and a real-time walkthrough of the floor. A genuine forged wheel maker will show you the CNC area. They will show you the press and work in progress on request. If someone dodges a video verification, that is your signal to slow down. Or if they only ever send the same polished photos, that's your signal to slow down. Third, make them prove the specs. Anyone can type forged into a listing. Ask what alloy they use. A proper forged wheel is usually 6061-T6 aluminium. Ask for their dimensional tolerance and runout numbers. Serious factories hold tolerances around 0.05 millimeters. And run out under 1/100th of an inch, and they can tell you that without hesitating. Ask for the load rating on your exact fitment. And ask for their quality certification, ISO or IATF. 16949 is what you want to see, with the certificate number so you can verify it yourself. If the answers are vague, the wheels usually are too. Fourth, protect the order itself. Keep payment on the platform. Use trade assurance and be cautious of anyone pushing you to pay in full off-platform to a personal account. Start smaller than you think. A real forged factory can run a low minimum order, often from just 4 pieces per spec. This lets you sample the quality before you commit to a full set or a container, and get the details in writing before production. Exact offset, bolt pattern, center bore, finish, and load rating all confirmed up front. So, is it safe? It can be if you do the checking instead of trusting the badge. Verify the factory, demand the specs, keep your payment protected. And sample first. If you want to see what those answers look like from a factory that gives them straight, visit FLEXIFORGED.com.